Hello, this is Will from Whmcs. In this tutorial, I will be walking you through your first login and the Getting Started wizard. Now that Whmcs is installed and the cron job has been configured, it's time to log into the Whmcs admin area and begin the initial configuration. First, navigate to your domain /whmcs/admin and log in using the administrator credentials you provided during the installation process. Once logged in, you'll be presented with the Getting Started wizard. This tool will walk you through the initial configuration of Whmcs. If the wizard does not appear, it can be opened manually via the Help Setup wizard. To begin, click the Next button at the bottom right of the wizard. In Step 1, set the basic information for your company such as the name, logo, email address, mailing address, country, and language. In Step 2, we can configure the payment gateways for receiving payments from clients. 3 popular options are provided here, but many more are available for configuration later. Click Skip Step to not configure any gateways, or complete the options and click Next. If your installation will offer domain registrations, Step 3 offers the ability to configure TLD pricing and register an Enom account. On the last step of the wizard, you can quickly add a Cpanel server to your installation. Entering a valid hostname or IP, username, and password, and then clicking the Verify Connection button will autofill the name, IP, and name server fields with information provided by the server itself. Once the setup wizard is complete, you are presented with the admin area. From this page, you can manage every aspect of your Whmcs installation. At the top of every page are quick links, which lead to the admin area homepage, the client area, a link for quick note-taking, your admin account settings, and the logout link. Below this, you can monitor your pending orders, invoices, and tickets currently awaiting reply. The tab navigation bar contains the main navigation links for the admin area. Quickly manage your clients, orders, billing, and more. Hovering over each item will expand the menu for that area. Clicking the support, add-ons, or setup tabs directly will lead to a unique page for each. The first screen visible when logging into the admin area is the dashboard. This page provides an overview of automation, support, and business operations in a customizable visual layout. At the top of this page are the badges. These are used to display important statistics about your installation, as well as items that may require your attention. You can click each badge to see the items in question. The main dashboard page is comprised of drag-and-drop widgets that you can organize to best fit your specific needs. Each widget displays information about a specific aspect of your Whmcs installation. You can also hide widgets you do not wish to use by clicking the cog icon at the top right corner of the dashboard page. Whmcs contains many features you can configure. To help keep track, you can click the Setup tab directly to see a Setup Tasks checklist. Please join us in the next video where we will walk you through adding a server to your installation. Thanks for watching!